Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the KitchenAid dishwasher left adjuster housing. It's going to be a very easy repair, and it's only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new left adjuster housing. The left adjuster housing contains the adjuster mechanism for the left side of the upper dish rack. The main reason you'd be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged and you can't adjust the rack up or down. In order to change the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Once you have the door open, we can pull the upper rack out so we have access to the left adjuster housing. First thing we have to do is take the cover off. There's a little locking tab on each side in each one of these little slots right here. So we're just going to take a small flathead screwdriver, stick it in there and flex it. Pull it out so the cover comes out. Once you have both sides released, you can pull it out a little bit and then pull it down so these little tabs on the top come out. Once you have it free, you can pull it out and set it aside. To get the adjuster housing off, we're just going to push it back off the rack right here. Let's just kind of lift up on the rack a little bit, push back, and then lift off the bottom. Once you have it free, you can pull it off the dishwasher. Here's the old left adjuster housing next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new adjuster housing in, just want to lift up on the rack a little bit and set the two lower tabs onto the rack and lift it up. And you may have to move the adjuster here so it goes into the little slot. And then push it on the rest of the way so dish rack goes into that groove right there. Once you have it in place, we can put the cover back on. To put the adjuster cover on, you want to make sure that these two tabs go into the holes at the top. You may have to move the housing around a little bit to get it to line up. Once you have it in place, we can just push it on the bottom and make sure these two locking tabs snap in. Once you have it on, you can push the upper rack back in, close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.